Welcome to Leka Eto Speak YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Lovers all over the world, ọ̀rọ̀ ó tún ti délẹ̀. Arábìnrin yìí ó bọ́ síta, ó fara ya, ó sọ àwọn àṣìṣàn ọ̀rọ̀ tèpètèpè tàyájọ́ ni ó fi ń gbìjà Omoge Saida. Ó ṣàlàyé wípé ọ̀rọ̀ góòdì òun ló ṣẹlẹ̀, pé arábìnrin kan patronize Omoge Saida ní bóyá 2 to 3 years ago, pé látìgbà yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé bí ọ̀rọ̀ góòdì ṣe jẹ́, but látìgbà yẹn ni arábìnrin yìí ló ti ń bínú Omoge Saida. Ìdílé lè tí wọ́n fi wá plan coup débi tí wọ́n wá ń send fídíò síta. So àṣírí ọ̀rọ̀ òun gangan ni a mú wá fún yín yìí. Ẹ rí i pé a ti mú update wá lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan gbogbo bí àwọn èèyàn bí wọ́n ṣe ń comment, tí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi, perspective tó olúkálùkù fi rí tiẹ̀, perspective tó olúkálùkù fi wo fídíò yìí ni wọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀, olúkálùkù ṣáà ń comment. Ṣùgbọ́n comment eléyìí, reply eléyìí ó ní agbára ní àti ọ̀dọ̀ fáǹsì alájà Omoge Saida, a sì tún lè pè ní associate tí wọ́n jọ ń ṣe, tí wọ́n jọ ń ta gold. So gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni a fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ bá wò kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ gbogbo bí ọ̀rọ̀ bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀, because eléyìí ó jáde tán, ó fara ya, ó sọ̀rọ̀, ó sọkùnbákùn bí ọ̀rọ̀, ó dẹ̀ tú oríṣiríṣi àṣírí nípa bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ẹ̀yìn wá. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń fọkàn bá wa lọ, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo fídíò láti ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fọkànbalẹ̀ kẹ́ wo láti ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé òpin. So ẹ ṣé gan ni, a máa mú wá fún yín, a máa play ẹ̀ fún yín tẹ́ máa gbọ́.
Kí ló kọ ẹ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Saida?
Ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ ṣé gan ni.
Ṣíṣe làrítì ló ń jẹ ni. Àmọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ. Àmọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ. Rárá. Caution àwọn people here. You just lost your mother this year. That's enough. Remember? You blocked Jamond 2 years ago. I called you. I called Sai. Why are you blogging Jamond? Olóta nǹkan fún customer kan. Kò nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ kan nìyẹn. Ẹ ń parọ́ mọ́ ìṣẹ̀dá Jamond. Gbogbo kíní ìṣojú mi. Yínká Akífẹ́ was on the other line that day. Èmi ò kí ń parọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ gold ni. Sayo ta fake gold fún customer. No. Gold ò tètè deliver ni problem. Gold delivery ni wahala. Ashabi, you did a show for Sai on social media, on your Instagram. And I didn't call you Ashabi. I called Jamond. Auntie Sai Kilon Shele. They are dragging you on Instagram show. She said, Funke, kini mo tu ṣe? Abi just love her, she drag me ni. Kini mo tu ṣe ń sìn again. That was her words. And they connected, the person they connect, I won't show the person's number. I'm a secretive person. The number is on this phone, my S20. They connected the person with me, and the lady stated, she did not deliver her gold on time. Now she wants her refund. Koto fa wàhálà nìyẹn. Saida ti gbé owó, ó ti fún àwọn tó ń ṣe gold. So báwo ló ṣe tún máa sanwó gold ibi tí wàhálà yẹn ti wà nìyẹn. Ẹ má máa parọ́ mọ́yàn. Tẹ́ bá yé tìyàn, ẹ má bàjẹ́. Àbíkẹ́, kò sí nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ gain. Tó bá ń jà fún nǹkan tí ò make sense. Ìwọ náà girlfriend ò ní ẹ̀. Ṣọmọ, ìwọ náà ń bá àwọn èèyàn sùn ní Nàìjíríà. Kódà Àṣàbí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sai, you know that's why you lost your mother. People might not tell you. Àtọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy tó ń ṣe kúṣẹ́yẹ tó lọ ń fún Fọlá ní 250,000 lọ́dọ̀ Dorcas. Àbí mi mo jẹ́ kó mọ Dorcas. Abo béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi Lara kó tó gba advertisement ẹ lọ Dorcas. Age mate ni wá, mo kàn máa ń sign, anti sign nìkan ló really dàgbà jù mí lọ. She's in her 50s. Èmi àti Lara we are age mates. Ó béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣé kó fún Dorcas l'advert. Mo dẹ̀ ní go ahead. Torí mi ò ń báyàn jẹ́. Mi ò ń ṣe social media person. Blogger tí mo ní láti máa gba advertisement. I don't do it. owó ìṣá nìyẹn. Contract money ní kókó. Ṣá làwọn yẹn. Influencing ìṣá ni. Affiliated marketing ìṣá ni. Supply 100 2,000 computers, 70,000 computers. Ibi tó wà ní Makachukwu. Kò ń ṣe pé kankan máa. That's are the things I will push for, not affiliated marketing, not influencing. I don't like kéèyàn máa bàyàn lórúkọ jẹ́. Women, we need to stop it. Àbí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. I was on the phone. Yinka Akife was on the phone. I don't lie. This is Yinka Akife's number. Bí tí mo ti máa ń send owó tí n bá ra nǹkan lọ́wọ́ Larry tó ń kọ̀rẹ́ ni. Ẹ má máa ṣàbòsí náà, kódà. You might hate Sai. It's okay. But don't destroy her. Don't. And all these evil things you guys do, Olodumare has paid you back. Iyabo blog is Sai. 4 years ago, she lost her mother. Ìṣẹ̀dá Sai ilé o. Ìṣẹ̀dá Sai ilé o. Spiritual mo ń gé fún yín o. Ìṣẹ̀dá ọmọ yẹn lé o. Bàbá ẹ̀ dúró tì lẹ́yìn o. Má lọ sọ̀rọ̀ Sai kó kágbà kó ilé ayé o. Ìgbà tí mo sọ fún Rálí àti lọ́jọ́ sí ń pa Faramide lẹ̀ o. Faramide lẹ̀ wọ́n rò bóyá mi ò mọ nǹkan tí mo sọ. Bàbá Aramide wà lẹ́yìn Aramide o. Ó bí bàbá Aramide ṣe mú èèyàn Rálí àti lọ. I understand spiritual kẹ́ tó wá fún yàn. Ìṣẹ̀dá bàbá Àṣàbí ó dúró ti ọmọ ẹ̀ o. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ ń pa ọmọ ẹ̀ òkìkí ló máa jẹ́ fún un. Ayé tí yín ló máa bàjẹ́ o. Ìwọ tó ń kọ́mẹ́ǹtì lórí ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀. Ayé tiẹ̀ ló máa bàjẹ́ o. Sai máa ga sínú ayé o. Àwọn bàbá mi, àwọn ìyá mi, wọ́n ti ra ilé ayé gbé fọ́mọ. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe, ọmọ yẹn máa gòkè ni. Ṣọ́ra o. Kó má lọ kọ́mẹ́ǹtì sí ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ kó gba ikú oníkúkú. It's towards the end of the year o. Kò ń ṣe gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ là ń dá sí. So kò ń ṣe pé Sai ta fake gold. No. Gold delivery. Timing gold. Ló fa wàhálà. I was on the call that day. Ashabi asked me, who reached out to Sai? I said, it was me. And she said, why? I said, because you were talking about her on Instagram. I said, Lara, why are you talking about Sai on Instagram? And when you want gbẹ́jọ́ wá, so I did the right thing. Èmi ò fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ Sai lẹ́yìn. Because she's my person. I called her on this phone. Sai, auntie, your name is on Instagram. They say you didn't deliver gold. What happened? And she said, Funke, kò máa ń ṣe bọ́rọ̀ ṣe rí. And she connected me with the seller of the gold. The person that she's supposed to sell, the person that paid her, that she's supposed to give the gold to, and the person that was doing the gold for them in Italy. Ó dá o. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin Nàìjíríà, socialite, obìnrin lọ̀tá obìnrin, change. Adebimpe, the show you did today is evil. If nobody have told you, you're an evil woman. And I don't think in this life and life to come, I want to affiliate with a stupid human being like you. I am not going to respect you. You don't deserve my respect. You are evil. You're even worse than my mother. I thought my mother was worse. You are evil. You are evil. You are evil. If I was your daughter, I would disown you today for what you just did. If I was your mother, if I was your daughter, I would disown you publicly. If I was your daughter, I would disown you. For the things you've done on Facebook, for you to bully another woman, for the same thing you have done worse. Who brought Lizzie and Jerry's case to social media? Why didn't you think as a nurse? Who caused all these problems? Is it not you? You are satanic. Now you want to come and talk about Sai?
Lovers all over the world, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti rí o. Kí Ọlọ́run ọba kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ ká ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé, kọ́lọ́ má jẹ́ ká sírìn. Ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó ní agbára. Pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ ló ní ayé, kí a tún máa fi ẹ̀sọ̀ sí. Ká dẹ̀ tún mójú ẹni tí èèyàn bá da òwò papọ̀. Sùúrù ló kó gbogbo ẹ̀, sùúrù ló kó gbogbo ẹ̀ tán. So because ẹ rí pé arábìnrin yìí ó tiẹ̀ múra gidi tó ń gbìjà tó ń sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó le. So ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ channel wa, ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa comment. So we love you all. Thanks for watching.